It's a great day for Pakistan and for the business community of Pakistan that at last, after the negotiation of so many months, the board of directors of IMF, they have approved a bailout package for Pakistan for $3.2 billion. I mean, this is a great news for Pakistan, and the business community has appreciated the efforts of the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and also the friendly countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, and China, who really helped Pakistan for providing us the financial gap which was coming and which was the requirement of the IMF. I am very sure, I'm very positive as a businessman. I have served as a vice president of FPCCI, that now means you will see that the inflation will decrease, Pakistani rupees will become more stronger, and the investors will come to Pakistan, and the other financial institutions like World Bank, like Asian Bank, like Paris Club, and other private banks, they will help Pakistan, because Pakistan has got a very clean chit, from the IMF, that our economy is not as bad as it was. Spread, means that Pakistan is about to default or Pakistan is defaulting. Here I will condemn the role of the PTI and its leadership, which were up to the end trying to sabotage this IMF deal. But the God listened to the prayers of the people of Pakistan, and now you will see already in few days you have seen the stock exchange has shown a very positive sign. Also, the rupees has become more stronger against dollar, which was, and the people of Pakistan, somehow who thought that Pakistan will not be able to sign this IMF deal, they converted their saving into rupees, into dollar. Now they are in dollars, and they are converting it to again to Pak rupees. So here, the Prime Minister, his team, the Army Chief also, and the Finance Ministers, means I appreciate their hard work, commendable work to make this deal successful. Thank you so much.
I congratulate the whole nation, the government of Pakistan particularly, for successful getting the IMF agreement signed for $3 billion. The first tranche of $1.2 billion has been released already. Over and above, Saudi Arabia has also paid $2 billion to State Bank account, and UAE paid $1 billion to State Bank account. So about 4.3 billion additional funds have been injected in a State Bank account, which is remarkable. I want to congratulate also Prime Minister of Pakistan, Shahbaz Sharif Saab, Wazir Khazana, the Isaaq Dar Saab, and of course the Chief of Army Staff, General Asim Munir, for their joint efforts on their using their personal rapport with the countries who have supported Pakistan for the safe deposits and for rollover. I am also thankful to the Prime Minister for personally talking and requesting to the Managing Director of IMF, for signing of the IMF agreement, the new agreement, which is for 9 months, and that will help us to stabilize our economy. Now here I wanted to say it is not only getting the $3 billion from IMF and be very happy. Prime Minister and the current government has also launched some initiative to sustain and support our economy. The one is the Investment Facilitation Council to revive $26 billion investment project of Qatar, UAE, Saudi and China. These were pending projects. There were some issues, those issues to be resolved, the reforms to be initiated, and end of the day, these projects will be revived and foreign investment to be attracted to Pakistan. The second is Green Pakistan initiative. So agriculture is the strength of Pakistan, and reviving agriculture, reviving Pakistan economy. Now they want Gulf country Pakistan to provide them food security, particularly grains. And these were pending demand. We never took it very seriously, but now with the Green Initiative, Pakistan will be able to sell the agricultural land or to lease the agriculture land or to produce and cultivate grains for export to the Gulf countries. That will increase job creation as well as exports of the Pakistan. So all these things together will definitely take us out of the economic crisis. I'm very happy to say, and I'm very thankful to Allah Almighty. We was on Hajj and we prayed every second for Pakistan economic stability. That Pakistan is inshallah now this is a turning point in the economy of Pakistan, and it is upward. So Pakistan not only strengthening the confidence of the investors, but Pakistan has also giving a roadmap to stabilize our economy, to revive our economy, for which I give due credit to the present government, the Prime Minister, Foreign Minister, and Lawal Bhutto Zardari, the Ishaq Dar Sahab, and Chief of Army Staff, and his team for their sincere hard work and sincere efforts to taking Pakistan out of crisis. And today I can confidently say, by the grace of Allah Almighty, that Pakistan is heading towards prosperity and development.
Thank you, sir.